Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to explain to you why TXT is so successful. So please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and always be up to date. So let's get it started. TXT, Tomorrow X Together, is a South Korean boy band that has gained significant acclaim and popularity in the K-pop industry. Here are some reasons why TXT is considered great. 1. Musical talent and artistic growth. Each member of TXT possesses exceptional musical talent, including singing, rapping, and dancing. They continuously showcase their skills and strive for artistic growth with each new release, experimenting with different musical styles and concepts. 2. Emphasis on storytelling and themes. TXT is known for their elaborate storytelling and thematic approach in their music videos, and album concepts. They often explore meaningful and relatable themes, connecting with listeners on an emotional level. 3. Strong fanbase and fan engagement. TXT has built a dedicated and passionate fanbase known as MOAs. They actively engage with fans through social media platforms, fan events, and regular updates, fostering a close connection and showing appreciation for their support. 4. Choreography and stage presence. TXT delivers captivating performances with their well-executed choreography and dynamic stage presence. Their synchronized movements and energy on stage leave a lasting impact on viewers. 5. Harmonious group dynamics and unity. The members of TXT have a strong bond and exhibit harmonious group dynamics. Their unity and camaraderie contribute to their performances and overall appeal. 6. Support from Big Hit Music, HYBE. TXT is under the management of Big Hit Music, now HYBE, which provides them with strong support, resources, and strategic guidance. The agency's expertise has played a significant role in shaping TXT's success. 7. Positive and inspiring messages. TXT's music often carries positive and inspiring messages, encouraging self-love, resilience, and growth. Their lyrics resonate with listeners, especially their young fanbase, and offer comfort and motivation. 8. International recognition and global reach. TXT has gained international recognition and popularity, expanding their fanbase beyond South Korea. They have successfully held world tours and collaborated with international artists, contributing to their global reach. It's important to note that the greatness of TXT is subjective and can vary from person to person. However, their musical talent, storytelling, fan engagement, and impact in the K-pop industry are factors that have contributed to their recognition and success as a group. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.